an electric scooter that goes 18.6 miles in 40 miles in one single charge. How we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, this is MediaboxEnt. Well, always we bring you the latest in technology, and yes, today we bring you another cool scooter. Now, the one I'm going to show you today, like I said, it goes 18.6 miles, allow you to get about 40 miles in one single charge. The perfect scooter for commute. I'm going to show you the lighting, suspension, and we're going to be doing a test drive. We're going to show you everything and all the things you need to know all about the ElitePrime. Let's begin now. The ElitePrime, 18.6 miles, 800 watt motor. So when I begin in the back, the suspension, very important. Shock absorption, these are polymer shock absorption, same thing in the front and the back. Want to give you a nice smooth ride. So my next thing is the lighting. We check the rear lighting and also the gear light. We're gonna have a section in a test drive at night, so you can really see this, what will look like at night. So we got the gear light in left and right. Then I show you now the deck. By the way, the deck is 21 inches long by 7.5. By the way, the rubber is good to make sure you keep your feet in place, and reflect the lighting, and kind of cool design on the leg. Now charging, it takes about 7 to 8 hours for full charge, and that was pretty cool. We test a lot of the scooters that you see here at MediaboxEnt, but I thought it was pretty genius on its magnetic. And by the way, it's a 48 volts, so pretty easy. Plug it in, you don't need to chum, and done. Leave it 8 hours and that's it. Now the tires, and again we have the suspension, and the tires are 10 inches vacuum tires, and the brakes in the front are drum brakes compared to ones in the back that we have these brakes. We have a cool reflector light. So now I'm going to show you how to fold the scooter. As you see, it's pretty simple, don't take much, and pretty easy to carry. Now let's look back again. We're looking again the suspension from the other side. The vacuum tire is 10 inch. They said it has a self-healing, so if you have something small, no problem. By the way, the frame is aluminum frame, would allow you to hold, by the way, about maximum load 265 pounds. Okay, same type of tire, 10 inches, and we look at the deck design from the other side. Now I want to go up all the way up now and I show you the brakes. Remember, front drums and the one in the back disc brake. By the way, bell is pretty strong, and the gear light, left and right. Then we're going to move on to the controllers. On the next section, I show you the full test and control, by the way, and that's to the speed and the brakes. Again, let's move out to the front. By the way, it's pretty cool. Came with the bag, so what it makes easy if you want to carry your power supply, or let's say your phone, key, tools, whatever you want to make easy. For me, even I have the instructions, if you see there, the manual, I put it right over there. So it's always handy to carry the power supply with you, and now you can carry it anywhere. Now we can see the front light. Again, you guys will see a full details on the scooter. Remember, it's 800 watts, no problem to get in a slope at 30 degrees. I'm going to show you in the next section. Why? Because we got the 1500 watt power. So check it what's coming up. We got a cool test drive, lighting, and much more. Let's begin now. So let's begin to show you the controls. We're going to turn it on, hold a few seconds, and when we can switch by pressing, and once we're going to turn the light on, so we're going to go this way. If you press 2 times, you're going to switch to walking speed. One more time, the DSP, and then one more time, we had the SP, that's the faster, 19 miles an hour, almost 19 miles an hour. You have to press 2 times power to turn the light on. We're going to hold it for a few seconds, and we have the light on. By the way, the signal lights are pretty simple. You hit right here, and then I show you also blinks right in the top, and we're going to try the other one, and it blinks there. So besides that, we had the information, the light is on, the Bluetooth is connected,
and we have the battery levels. So later on I'm going to show you the application. So to begin, you have to push, I think it's about maybe, I don't know, but push, I don't know, if it's about 2 miles or 3 speed wise. So you got to push yourself up, and then boom, begins. That's simple. All right, guys, so let's begin with the test drive. So what I'm doing right now, and I'm doing like 15 kilometers, we have about maybe 30-degree incline, and it's doing no problem. I'm pushing to the max. So, because we got 3 levels, where the walking, we got the D, and also we got the S for the fast, and it's doing perfect. I have no problems at all to do an incline about 30 degrees. So now we get about 18 kilometers, 20. Brakes are pretty good. It stops right away. Let's set the bell. Yeah, we can hear that pretty clear. And should get a flat terrain in a second. So let's push it to the max. And here it shows about 30 kilometers. Let's see what the GPS is going to show later on. But we're locking in at 30 kilometers. Let's check the brake. Yeah, pretty sharp, and I use only one. I do like always use the 2 brakes to stop. Let's do that now. Yes, nice and sharp. To go a little faster now, we go downhill. About 30 kilometers an hour. That's perfect. Yeah, the ride is pretty smooth. No problem, so it makes super nice if you're gonna go in cedar ride. All right, so let's check the scooter at night and let's see how they illuminate the road. I think it's super fine. Great lighting. At the front, you can see we illuminate the road with no problem. All right, so it's time to recap. So what do you think about the scooter? I think it's great. Be able to reach the almost 90 miles an hour. Very important. Uphill, be able to do 30 degrees no problem. Why? Remember, we had the peak motor that allow you to go up to 1500 watts, especially when you're going to go an uphill. I think it has the perfect weight. Easy again, if you have to commute, go from the train to the bus. Perfect for the city. Great color. Great lighting at night, and very important, we can control the whole thing right from our phone. So like always, I'm going to leave you the whole information in the affiliated link right below this video. Anyway, always the price is the same. Once again, I'm Dario, and I'll see you next time with another maybe cool scooter or e-bike or some cool technology. Bye.